Hi, Philip from TW White and Sons. I'm here today to tell you about the radio operation in a brand new MX-5 R Sport. It is similar across most of the MX-5, so whatever I'm showing you here today on the radio will be synonymous with most other MX-5s that are brand new. There shouldn't really be any other anomalies. The reason why I'm showing you this today is because of the pandemic we're in. Any vehicles that we may be delivering to you through contactless delivery, contactless collection, we would need to just run through it just so you're aware in case we've forgotten anything at the point of vehicle handover. So if I start this, it should straight away go into a home screen like so. Warning notification comes up and you are on DAB radio. Now this car features AM, FM, DAB. It's also got, if you look down there, it's got USB socketry. USB, you can attach an iPod or your phone, etc. But let's just look at the radio. You've got here, there's the main FM, AM, DAB, and this is all operated through this main navigation wheel here. We go back to this and you can use that navigation wheel to scroll along the various settings on DAB. So sound settings is probably the easiest one. You can adjust bass, treble, fader, balance, guidance volumes for navigation, and Bose audio pilot, which is activated because this car features Bose sound, is activated. It increases the level of the stereo to compensate for any engine or road noise. Now if we wish to go back, there is a back button down here. We will press that. Comes back to where we were already on DAB. If we move across here, we've got DAB settings. You've got DAB FM link, DAB link, and radio text all on. Scroll up and down the waveband, traffic announcements, scan facility, set up favorites, so you could set this as a favorite, which is now added. Station list here, very simple. You would just scroll down and it'll take you to where you want to go, and you just highlight it and select it. So favorite, you're back on there, DAB radio 4. Over here, as I've said, FM, AM, DAB on the main screen, and USB connectivity. What else can I show you? On the steering wheel here, instead of you having to use the volume button down there, you can also use the volume button here on the steering wheel. Very, very simple, and you can see it adjusting like so. Very, very straightforward. And you've got USB connectivity down there. You've got facility to put in 2 USB ports, so you can listen to music off your phone or music off your iPad, and you've even got an auxiliary socket there as well. Let's get back in, show you just a couple of sound features on this car. For example, the sound setting, you got fader and balance here. Now this car has speakers in the headrest being Bose. I don't know if you can see, there's a little perforation there. That's got speakers in the headrest, give you a more immersive sound experience, and Bose quality sound is absolutely superb. Let's try and give you a little demonstration of that as well. Let's go to radio 2, see if there's something a little bit more palatable on here. I don't have to do this because I could have just used the scroll button and it would have got to it, but we're on this now, so really good sound with really great bass response and great treble response. But that's the radio on DAB radio on the Mazda MX-5 R Sport, which is a limited edition model, limited to just 150 models in the UK. So there we have it. Any further questions you need, please contact us through our website www.twhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.